Hey freedom lovers, today I'm going to show you how we harvest water with our humble water collection system, this time on OffGridMinute. Sounds like rain. Yep, had some rain last night. Not sure if you can see the line in the bucket, but it looks like there's about 3.5 gallons in there. Started raining again. At some point you can't siphon anymore, so do the obvious. So this time we did get better than 3.5, almost 4 gallons. Add just a little bit of bleach to each. It's cold out, guys. Hands are shaking. Tap them up. Shake them up. And these are going to get poured in with the rest. We put the bucket back under the collector. Do it again. Repurpose milk jugs. What else? Alright, I just thought I'd show you a little detail here. What this is just a 4-inch pipe. Don't get the thick stuff, guys and gals. Just the thin wall drainage pipe. Cut a slit down it. And then it just clips on like that. To keep the water from coming out of the ends, this is a lid from a protein powder jug or something. I just cut it in half. It's siliconed around this edge here. Stuck the lid on. Did the same to the other side. And this is a garden hose fitting. I probably had it lying around. Maybe I picked it up on Amazon. Either way, I'll try to throw a link to it in the description if I can find one. And then, you know, trash piece of junk garden hose that I had lying around. I got it clipped back on. This is just a mayonnaise jar lid. The hole drilled in it. You can use any lid. The lid that came with it is missing for some reason. You can use that. Drill a hole in it if you still have your lid. Screw it on. Drop the hose in, and like I said before, just a few threads. Just enough so it doesn't fall off and it catches the water. Well, that's our very small and very basic water harvesting system. We do plan to upgrade it along the way. If you're interested in seeing those episodes, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, freedom lovers, and until the next Off-Grid Minute, peace.